foreigner awasebenze only with the necessary document that is needed. They can work with the necessary document because we live in a diverse country. South Africa is a very diverse country. We also need those skills that they offer here in South Africa. If they have the legal document, they must come and work. We need those skills. If banama document avumelekile ukuthi basebenze eMzansi, bangenza bazosebenza. Si South Africa si diverse kakhulu South Africa. So ba offer ama skills amahle kakhulu. Maningi imisebenzi abayenzayo abantu ababuya ngaphandle iyo bayenza imisebenzi omuhle imisebenzi ebonakala but esikhathini esiningi bayaba exploit ababhadali imali efanele babhadali because abana ama document la afanele babe nawo ama card bank kuba umsebenzi abana ama card and everything so they cannot get paid properly. That's why they end up exploiting them, paying them hard cash. That's in the part of exploitation. They're not paying them full salary that they are supposed to earn as a South African citizen.
Sinto one song, indaba yamabhoda isebenzi. All as Africa, Africa is one, yes. Most of them na the ngibona ngakhona angeke sithi bayasebenza kakhulu kuleyo ma shop la because they don't have ama proper document to apply for leyo misebenzi. Most of them bazenzela ama business estradini, bayathengisela. So I don't think bayawuthatha umsebenzi in that such manner.
Amapoyisa, they shouldn't arrest ama foreigners ngoba labo baya create ama jobs futhi and bayahlonipha futhi.